So guys, we're back with another video, and what are we doing today? You guys may want to know. What am I doing with that old intro? Come check this out, guys. Anyway, so this is what we're doing today. We're back in the unit, as you guys can tell. Big logo behind, you know. Hello doggy. So this is what we're doing today. As you guys would have remembered, when we started this channel, I actually had this old sunbag that I put on here. It was just plain black, it was just boring. But in this tube here, which has been 3 months in the making. Thank you. This has been 3 months in the making. This has been 3 months in the making, and I have finally got this that we've been looking for. This has taken us 3 months to make, design, and get. You know, I've been going back and forth. I show my ideas, they show me their ideas, then we had a few designs, and I was like, okay. Then I asked a few other people, like this one, this one, and this one, and this is what we came up to. So in this tube, guys, you guys are going to want to check this out. This has been a long process. It just looks like the exact same, I gotta be honest. But check this out. So what we're going to do, we have this right here. Boom. Pow. Bada-bop-bop. Pow. So guys, I want to know your opinions. What do you guys reckon? For now, this is what we're going to rock. It's got good advertisement. It's showing obviously a lot of people about what we do. It's a little subtle. It's not too much, but I think it's enough. So without any further ado, I'm going to take this old one off, get this new one on, and we should be good to go. So check this out. Let's see if I can actually peel this one here off, because it might be easier if I actually heat gun it. Oh, this feels so bad. This feels awful. Wow. I done such a good job of putting this on, didn't I? Trying to save this really. Almost there. What a transformation already. Oh my god. It's hard to believe that I was ever there. Oh my god. That's crazy. That is crazy. Wow. Look at this. Hello, cameraman. Come here and look at that cat. That doesn't even look normal anymore. That just looks so wrong, don't it? Oh my god. Right. So guys, just like this now, we're going to use our spray. I'm going to soapy this up. So we use this little spray now. Scrape all this residue off. This doesn't even feel right anymore. Just like so. Just clean this up. yeah, there was something else that I was going to mention to you guys, which is at the moment Kyle and I are actually on a hunt. Should we say we're on a hunt? Or we may already have one, I don't know. As of right now I can't say too much, but we're on the hunt for another car. It's more than enough. Just gonna go over this properly, make sure there's nothing on here, and that's gonna be underneath our lovely new sun banner. You can see something here. Just like that, we've got our new banner. This is what we're going to do. I'm going to actually swap places with our cameraman. They're going to come over here, I think. Let me double check. So, yes guys, I put this back away so we don't damage it, okay? That's why I put it back in my tube. This, now, yeah, so I'm going to be this side and they're going to come that side then. Yeah, okay. So, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to pass this to the cameraman over there, and then I'm going to bring this over to here, and now what I'm going to do is find the centre of the window, which is around here, and I want the middle of that to be about there. Yeah, a little bit of masking tape, guys, just like before. If you guys haven't seen the first time I actually installed one of these, you can go and check it out on the first video. Bring that down so it's on the corner, is that right? Okay. If you guys haven't seen me ever install one of these before, just go and check out my first video of it. It would be alright. And now I'm going to take this side over. Cameraman goes that side. So what I'm going to do, I think, I'm actually going to try and do this in 2 halves. So I'm going to tack that to about here, just like so. I'm also do the same thing on the top. Like so, just so I know that's not going to move. And now, I've got to try and somehow remember what I'm doing. I'm pretty sure I should do something like peel back, spray, get it on, spray the rest, peel off, and then trim and squeegee. Yeah, I think, it can't be that hard, surely. I did it before, right? Here's the moment of truth. So, I can actually go back and watch another video and just see how I did it. So, just like so guys, I'm gonna remove this tape. I'm gonna just soak this window up. Do the same thing into here. So, whoop, there we go. Oh, can you go over there, cameraman? Grab that side for me a minute. Hold that. Keep going with it. Right, with it over there. Hello. Nice to meet you. Okay, so we're going to just tack this point here for now. Just so I know that's there. And now, I'm going to watch you out a sec. You hold that side there. Take that tape off. Don't crease it wherever you do. slightly bring this down. You slide that down with me? Slide it down. Just around the corner. Check this side. Guys, this would be a lot easier with 2 people, but you guys know how I roll. It's me, myself and I, so I'm back and forth like a yo-yo. Now, we want this, and we want this. So now what I'm going to do, right, I'm just going to give a slight little dusting over this, just to make sure that I don't actually damage it. So that's the last thing that we want. Against it. Okay. Guys, I've got to sit back, it's so stressful because one slight mistake at this point is ruined. So I'm being as very, very gentle as I possibly can. And then I'll tighten up all the edges. So just like that, guys. Getting this one all dialed in as well. And then we're gonna come from here. Like so. That can go. going to clean the window up because at the moment it's disgusting. So let's clean this window up real quick. The Corsa logo is all on here, guys. It's looking fan-dabby-dozy. Lift these wipers up. Fun fact, guys, if you check these wipers out in the previous video, I think it was when we actually put these wind deflectors on, myself and Kyle actually sprayed this and this piece. But the more we're looking at, I think we should do the whole stem, because at the moment this piece here looks perfect, but the whole stem just looks a little rough. So we're going to do that very soon, following the pedals that we're going to do. We're also going to get that done. And then as soon as we've got the pedals done and we've got that, also then going to, I think, jump onto the back lights. We've also got the wheels to do. What else we've got the front lights we're going to do. We're also going to smoke the back lights. We've got quite a few things to get done. I've actually got some pedals that we're going to be putting on here. So they're under there as well. So once they're on here, that'll be fan-dabby-dozy. So guys, just like that, we've got this banner all installed. Looks 10 out of 10. I'm absolutely in love with it. It looks perfect. I've got to be honest, I got enough this side, enough this side. It's just center. It's perfect. Bear in mind, I'd done that without even measuring. I just took a rough estimate. It was 9.5. But it fits well. It does fit well. You know, it looks right. It's just perfect. If you guys can tell with the R and the YouTube play button, that's what we've done here. So if you guys can tell, here we've gone for the black, white and red, and on the sun banner we've gone for the red, black and white. So, you know, it looks a little bit different, so slightly different. You know, we've got the tone difference here, but I think it looks quite good. You know, that's kind of where this logo came from. So this logo was kind of inspired through this, and this was also inspired through that. So that was that. If you guys did enjoy the video, I did tell you guys we are going to be changing these sun banners quite often, but you know, hopefully in a couple of months or years from now I'll be perfect at doing sun banners and it'll be no stress. But just like that, guys, I hope you guys did enjoy the video. I had a little bit of fun making this one, a little bit stressful, but I've done it. So guys, just like that, see you guys in the next one. Don't forget, if I can do it, of course you can do it, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.